So this is how you can make a GoPro video fit on Instagram, right? So if you record a video on GoPro, they are most likely in the landscape orientation, right? So you record them like that, and when you bring them over into your phone or computer, well, it's kind of an issue because you cannot put them on Instagram vertically, right? So if you can, before even starting or pressing the record, you can also rotate the GoPro and record vertical videos, right? So that would be a good approach. That would make things simpler. But even if not, and you already have like the videos shot in the landscape, you can still do something. So if you are on your iPhone or even Android, whatever, you can get a video editor, something like CapCut, into which you can import that clip, like start a new project, import that clip, and from the options below, you need to pick the aspect ratio. So that is like the size that we are working with in the project. So it might be square, it might be landscape, YouTube style video, or it might be Instagram Reels for the vertical, right? So then you can import that clip, which obviously will not fit. So you can either zoom it in completely to make the fit the screen, or you can just have it like that and have like black background behind it or even white. You can layer it on top of each other, but the point is that you will need to perform these changes in order to be able to switch or turn the horizontal photo into an Instagram video, which is most likely vertical. So that's how you need to perform it. Obviously, you can add any effects and edits in here as you are inside of the video editor, which I really like. CapCut is really good if you ask me. But yeah, that's how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it, or if you have more questions about it, then leave a comment as well, because I'll probably make an updated video if I see that a lot of people are like wondering about specific topics. I make so many tutorials in order to help all of you figure out and use your devices in the best way. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe for more videos and tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later.